1 year ago, I got a hair transplant surgery, which involves surgically removing hair from the back and then replanting it in over 1,000 holes in the top of my head. Looking at how much the hair has grown in over a year honestly blows my mind because I didn't think it was possible to have my hair look this thick again. If you look at the pictures from over a year ago, you could almost see my scalp in this whole area. Today, I'm going back to Utah Facial Plastics for my 1-year follow-up appointment.
Hey,
How's it going?
good. How are you? How have you felt about it?
Yeah, I actually feel really good about it. It's better than I expected. I'm styling my hair, like able to put product in it. I couldn't do that before. This is an absolutely incredible procedure, and I experienced no pain whatsoever that first week after the surgery. Following this procedure, I hardly took any medications, and I was able to get back into the gym within 10 days. So if this procedure is something you've been considering, if the only thing that's holding you back is fear of the procedure or pain afterwards, I can't recommend Utah Facial Plastics enough. Dr. Thompson, Dr. Manning, and Julie, as well as all of the surgical techs, did a phenomenal job and made it such a positive and memorable experience.
How's the back healed up?
Really good. There was like sometimes some nerve tingling over the last year, but I haven't felt that in a long time.
Nerves heal so slowly, but a millimeter per day. If you think about the distance from like here and back up in your head, it takes a long time. It's not uncommon to have a little bit of numbness, crawling sensation, or itching that doesn't respond to scratching. For you, you did a punch method. The punch method has a little bit less of that than maybe a strip method. Sometimes with a strip method, people will feel that for quite a while, and if it gets less and less, eventually it kind of goes away.
Yeah, it feels
Pretty good.
It feels great.
Can I take a look at the front hairline?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is coming really naturally because the hairs are staggered so that they're not like
Straight
a
lines.
straight line of like hairs all the way across. It's definitely a lot thicker in the front. You were even seeing a little bit of scalp right here.
Oh yeah, you can see.
You can see all the way through there. Even when you don't have a ton of loss, in these earlier stages of loss, when you get on it with a hair transplant, it makes a big difference. What are we doing for medical management at this point?
I have finasteride, the drops. I do it every night.
And you're getting minoxidil in the drops as well. So it's beneficial. Regardless of what you choose to do, you gotta be on finasteride long term with some amount of consistency because we don't wanna lose the hair behind what we have grafted and the back where you started.
Okay.
Cool. Well, we'll get you checked out up front. I'll have Julie reach out to you. It's good to see you again.
Yeah. Don't forget to follow Utah Facial Plastics on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to learn even more about the incredible procedures that they perform there.